Here is your explanation for your much ado about nothing writing workout. So, just so you know, you are expected to answer both of these questions in full paragraph form with topic sentences and adequate supporting details from the play. For each question, one of your pieces of evidence of support must be a properly introduced and cited direct quote from the play. You should also have other supporting details and examples, but they don't have to be direct quotes. Okay, so question 1. You're going to need to write one full, well-developed paragraph. And you're going to argue who are the main characters of the play. Are they Beatrice and Benedict, or are they Hero and Claudia? Why? Type your answer in the box below. So this is there's no one right answer. It could either be Beatrice and Benedict or Hero and Claudio. It's up to you to decide who you think are the two main characters of the play. And if you need help starting your paragraph, you can use this sentence starter. So you would just fill in the blanks here. The main characters of William Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing are blank and blank because, and you'll give your reason, okay? Think about what we did with the writing workout, part 11.1, and how we learned how to incorporate our quotes correctly within our paragraphs so they flow better. So make sure you use that as you develop your paragraph for this assignment. Then you're going to develop one well-developed paragraph, and you're going to consider the expression "words can kill." Reflect on the meaning of this and as it relates to the play or as it relates to our lives today. So you have two options here, and you're going to either answer the questions from option 1 or option 2. Is where you can talk about more closely about the play. So you could write, who in the play is negatively impacted by the words of someone else? How does this come about? What is the result? What is the harm in it? What is the literal or figurative death in it? So consider these questions as you develop your paragraph, and you can use your Much Ado About Nothing theme chart to help you consider who's negatively impacted by the words of someone else. Option 2 is a little more bringing it back to the real world, and you can consider who in modern society is negatively impacted by the words of someone else. What are the specific circumstances involved? What is the impact or result? What is the harm in it? Is there any literal or figurative death involved? Okay, so now you're going to write your paragraph in the box below, and you're going to focus on all the questions that correlate with the one option you have selected. So you'll either attempt to answer these questions for your paragraph, or you're going to answer these questions for your paragraph, okay? Make sure you use specific textual evidence from the play to support your ideas. Then, finally, answer these two questions using complete sentences. A paragraph is not required here. So the first question is, why do words have so much power when used against someone? Then, how can you figure out what is rumor and what is truth? Okay? If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.